GH.
Obusia. Say I'm for forever a brand Nigeria for be share that ekoye live no more kassetia no more ye new moment tia you. Yes, I'm for frame bebree na obi frame no come on kan wo hwe na me say ye kan say mo platform is obi anti ye kan say mo platform is obi anti ye platform because of say ye politics na ye asante 100% inti no as a man from fan some serious inti eno na sometimes because in some way but you can't have a count say baby HM baby a dey baby dey efriba a collective idea inti akan for na my mo say o na ade nti na asante na mo so mo de mo ho ode tachire no enye wadwen say obi do tribe bi anda obi me catch you ne o ya asanteni a enfan hye otirim say nkrani do da nkrani ndo da ti asemi nkrani ondo da hwe nti hye otirim say o nkan for the one ebra motive behind reason why a change your Hinijan sports stadium to Accra sports stadium say now munim say Hinijan de ekwan bia so oya asanteni nti omo nti ase ade nti na asanteni ne de ne din ato stadium so this is the time I was asante yes sorry this is the time I was asante man sorry any akanfo na omo da so ne yebo no yes sorry we ka kira amansa na se yes ye de hye tirim say sɛdeɛ sɛdeɛ nsuo yɛ no saa na wɔsɛ wiase yɛ sɛdeɛ nsuo yɛ no saa na wɔsɛ wiase yɛ sɛdeɛ nsuo yɛ no saa na wɔsɛ wiase yɛ why am I saying this was say ma anything asante ana akan bia e won krama mu die ni kwan se yeso yɛ ase say anything from any different way yɛ ase ti ase mi pa esan say the ekeka kono a collective effort and planning towards asante ti asemi pa because adentia started from Ohinijan now any brebi ni ade emu bi be ka kire wo say gamanche no enye se odo asante ti asemi pa enye se demom no enyoma bi a ewa asante hu na nani bre onya ya ankope ene na me ka kire wo ne a collective effort. Okay, so from Ohinijan sports stadium now you feel say asante. I can give you a whole lot of instances obi crown po betimi aka cho say na yenim say me din no me asante ni nka ye shoot no enti no one first ade we an show man. This is the time we need to channel our energy into being independent states. Now they say yes, they say anything na asante bia it's okwa Kwame Nkrumah museum man asante na wo ho ni asesa no enti say the oye Ghana Tourism Authority no say no adwen o de hye oman tirim ne say they say the oye because of so free kran enti no yentimi fa bibia a enye nkran ti asemi o yentimi fa bibia enye nkran ento bibi won nkran da omo nti ase ne nti ase kina ye kan say mo ya na bi mo feel say bia because of say yenye politics enti no ye ba na energy am dey share videos ne e subscribe crowd from because yenka politics that oye asanteni de hye oye akani de hye o support political party a wo energy no ade nyina ahwe ba mpese me ka kire no say you know they say akwa abegu Accra akwa abegu Accra akwa aba egu Accra anase Kotoka International Airport no yeji ebe nkran kasa na ahwe wasi bi de say uba ake wo say dey empokran akwaba ye enka officially ye dia babe a national welcome language enye Ghana penkwa na use even across the border to a lot of African countries like Togo ni Benin no they all say akwaba Cote d'Ivoire they all say akwaba so eba ne say no bi di be hye de tiri mu say akwaba no de ye ntiase ma ye mfam ama ampa aban ayenhwe han tio enti na me chew say a collaborative effort eno maka bo no mo ye eno mo ye eno mo ye a collaborative effort enti me ma obi na ada me say enti me ma obi anye de en na ada me ma obi na ada o ya santini afa show trim say ye no ye no sere kwa nti ese ye se bibia akokwa me nkroma museum akwa me nkroma onye nkrani o yakani ese ye se ye yi akwa aba no so ayi afiri ho why ti abusua nti me ma ye enye ma na enye otirim se ye dom emfa nhyɛ otirim da nti se sei no enwoma ya sanhwe kwa me nkroma old ayini o first ne say na ukọ kwa me nkroma museum say na welcome city here na da me nkyɛn no and this time around no, this is what is happening you see I know obake o say dey ni go anso how kotoka international airport abaya tena siama Ghana Tourism Authority CEO no enam so yen kan nti wasesa ne say they say ukọ a wu akọ ababie obake enti memma mfa nhyɛ otirim sɛ yɛbɔ enti wo mu sɛ yɛdidi ɛyatem ɛyɛ collective effort ebi firi ha ebi firi na aka bom which aban enso ka ho bia adenti na saa nnwuma wei na ɛkɔ so na kyia ne kya aban nyɛ na agye sɛ obi bia ba bɛka bi sa ho saa adentia enti memfa nhyɛ otirim sɛ oh ɛna yɛdɔ ɛna dabi yɛnɔ da hwɛ wonti ase yɛnɔ enti memfa nhyɛ otirim sɛ ɛna dabi yɛnɔ enti me susu me say susu fa hyɛ otirim saa hwɛ ye kan bia ontie ena say asese no ukọ video nda me nche no ukọ ikutuka say there's no akwaba is obake menim say obake che say akwaba nti no na mfa nche otirimu da ya kanfo no munye smart ma adwe mu say ena ana bibia na asante ena eho hi on de eba ye keka muti abom so that omenya kwan ayede ayi mofiri ho ye kan bia mo de tiny ade ye kan on say on de eba yen konko tie ni oma ekọ social media yen ko tie ma sese
well yeah that's sorry you who say Ghana Tourism Authority a change aye nsesan bi wo Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park num na nsesan na o ma ye ne say sa signboard na welcome amanfo which has the signage wezo any akwaba no wasesa na aye no obake or say obaji or something so post nini say wasesa no now before we move on let's look at the earlier post or first post na was no which was this one you see it had the weasel and it had the akwaba on it and now this is the new signage which welcomes people to the Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park and it has the Obake sign or Obaje or something. Now I don't mind them doing that. Probably what I would have preferred is say they would attach the various languages because a national monument. So people come from different continents, different parts of the world to see it, to experience Ghana. So what I say, and even though it serves as a capital, it is Ghana. And so I would have loved if they attached the various languages and major languages signage for welcome. So what I say, but maybe in their own wisdom, they've changed it to what the Obake, which is you are welcomed in Ghana, and there is no problem with that. But let it be known, say, if this sets the precedence, if we have such a situation happening in other regions or where I come from, which is the Ashanti region, mo be offended, not on tribalistic comments, no on Asante for the omuyesi. Because I've said earlier, obia penny die obia in a little bit tribalistic in some form, so o person die ne dasoro. But Asante for na they be mobile champs because that's what will give them clickbait. Let me remind you guys, I earlier part of this year, Mahama nominatee say DCU say MC ma Mampong. So and she was an NDC person or Sanya Santini. The northerners in that place or those in the Zungu rose up and said, say, Mahaman changing no on one of them. So what you say na Asantini bia ntimi enye party executive or Mampong Krum. So the late Mampong Hene Nyamemfa ne Krensi stood up and said to trust him no mudi no. It should never happen again. So what you say unim say Mampong Hene ni wuye na Mahama san revert eyi maame na free ho. These party people no mbeye trust him no. Unim said now one of them is now occupying the position now. Yes, but have you seen people from the Ashanti region talking again? Yeah, find it normal. So what I say, because logically, Ashanti ni intimi could deep political position ewo Sirim. Ashanti ni intimi could deep political position ewo Volta region, right? But it happened here, and a lot of people were expecting say Asante for more things than that, but they let it slide. So yes, and if one day some of these things you see now man for years say we are Asante for there until I was say yeah Asante say we are Asante for say I was say yeah Asante say yeah. Nobody should come and talk. Nobody should open the mouth. So and it's a brilliant move by the Ghana people. We have always been reiterating so we are promoting a culture. So yes, the Ghana language has been sidelined for a long time, right? And it is now that they are putting things in place. So what I say, and they are using now their language as the signage for Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park. I have no qualms with it, but if it happens somewhere else, there should be no problem with it too.
I feel what you want to say. Yes, and you may of social media. You may of course no. Nneɛma ɛkɔ so no nti sɛ wahu afei w'ani wahu bi nti no abusua yɛnnɔ yɛnsusu fa nhyɛ yɛtirim sɛ yɛnnɔ yɛn wate ase yɛnnɔ yɛn na mbese wodeɛ yɛntie time a started from time a gamankyɛ ɛka sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ wɔsesa Greater Accra ɛyɛ no GaDangbe region GaDangbe region that's the plan yɛnkɔ tie gamankyɛ n'anim asɛm ɔkae yɛnkɔ tie ma.
Your Excellency, I'm sure that you are mindful of our desire to change the name of the Greater Accra region to the GaDangbe region. This is part of the effort towards unification and consolidation of the Ghana state. Your assistance in this regard will be appreciated by us. The Ghana language has been threatened in recent years. Indeed, many schools do not teach Ghana anymore in the Greater Accra region. And to this, it's a big threat to our very existence and our culture because we evolve from it. We are asking that teachers that are trained to teach Ghana are posted to our Ghana communities. From the effort of the Ghana Traditional Council and the Office of the Gamanche, we are also asking that before you send and ask the posting regulators to send our wards who have been taught the Ghana or graduates from Ghana teaching institutions to communities within the Ghana state so that they can teach the Ghana language. We are also making an effort to teach Ghana on most of our social media platforms and have it on most of our networks.
You know, we are Minister for Education, here, Dr. Duchum, Enufe. Enuga, she translation no administrative arrangements. Many reorgan teachers who can teach Ghana will be brought to teach Ghana in the Ghana communities. I think it's in order. The minister with Ghana Education Service Abako no na mbanye mafe. But I think you will see some changes soon in this policy that will come. Me, for Greater Accra name to be changed to GaDangbe, with respect, Niga, that one is not your responsibility, it is my responsibility. I will consult my cabinet and the Council of State, Mobakwe, but I cannot commit myself to that. And you cannot do it without me.
Afebusion. Ninu masem no. What you say? Ninu masem no. Ena ukotie ya no say o person san because o person tourism ni ade o kan na no yo tourism so. Tina adwen nse na omo yi bri ya ma me afua se wajeto. Ofri Accra, Greater Accra no fi. O GaDangbe ni. Ono na ahyemu tintiman ayi Ghana sika. E dia esesa di no. Nti we say ye na ye akofo obi yes o minister o MC o say ni ate ase. But you see, we show them love, but they hate us in everything in them. Nti o na yeah fashion team say omo nyina ni break. Ene na make achiro. Omo nyina ni break. Hwe nti ye kan say mu feel say tabi omo nyina ni break de ekoso. Nti me mo obi nye say me mo obi nye say me mo obi mfa nhye bitirimu say ti asemi o me mo obi mfa nhye bitirimu say ye de na da bi me nka no kure nye de enche wiase mo me nka no kure enche wiase na ye mfa nhye bitirimu say ye channel energy towards Asante being independent as in said at anything be a Asante memudie we will make it Asante handle it. Then we can also face the battle because now no abide in one jim we hemfo ne bi e na omo yes say omo de Nigeria fo ni bi e de ewuwum enti do omo kase say we bi a mfi munti ase nti obi frame na nya sa o no be bia me di freedom e very constructive sure enti e ma na nya say do ye no me na be ka kire o ye ne yesre kwa ti abusua